That's me. I'm in jail. That's a giant rat. That's a piece of cheese. And the telephone. The telephone signifies my phone call. Some flakes. How much? I don't know. Black pepper. That's gonna dry and be ready for our egg wash to go on, or egg milk, whatever. This one's gonna be the crumb. I want some flour again. Gonna do it. Breadcrumbs. Garlic powder. I've got almost out. Lemon pepper. A bit of spice. And some small pepper. If you've got the mixed peppers, use them. Blend that all together. Squid. That's me now. Okay. Just scoring. Don't put them in the microwave, don't put them in the oven. Dishwasher, probably not. You see it's started eating my cheese. Start this in. I don't know if the scoring will actually do anything once I put on my crap on it. I suppose we'll see. The first time for everything. I'm gonna perform for us.
She loves the camera. Come on, come here. Alright, sit down. Sit. Good girl. Okay. Okay. Eat.
Good girl. So I made 2 plates. I have 6 arms, very long legs, round feet, and there's an underwater plant for some reason, and then my half-assed attempt at making it look like there was some kind of a sky. Yeah. So step 1, flour, egg wash. You're supposed to use one hand, dry, one hand wet. But I don't know how to do that. So this is what we're getting. Stick it in. Nice breadcrumbs and herbs. Stick it on the plate. We're going to do that over and over again. This is going to take ages. Still got one dry hand. I'm very quickly getting to the CVF part of this. I'm using leftover oil. Heat that up until about 180. If you want to check the temperature, just put your finger in it or a piece of bread, and then it'll start like frying as soon as you put it in there. And then we'll fry up all of that shit. Let's fry some shit. This shit. They're looking good. They're smelling good. Getting a little bit of curd. Salt them straight away. They're still all moist with this oil. Next round. Calamari rings. Give this one a try. Those are not the same as those. Those are calamari rings. Those are not rings. Yeah, look at that. Yeah! Of your coleslaw. Onto the plate. Some calamari on there. Okay, boom. With lemon, squeeze over the top, and tartares over there. Ah, voila. It's not salt and pepper squid, it's squid a la Jim. Subscribe. F***ers, subscribe. I do this for you.